proposal for a content calendar provider to optimize YouTube's digital marketing success. Today, we will discuss the purpose of our strategy, our business objectives, current and future content needs, partnership solutions, and implementation costs. Today, our number one goal is to change leadership's content marketing perspective by introducing a roadmap to optimize our digital marketing and online presence. That is why it is crucial for YouTube to integrate new solutions, technology, and partnerships to maximize business and revenues. We will assess the cost of implementing a partnership as well as advocate the value of integrating solutions. Content is key to our success, which is why we will inspire leadership and confident you will implement and execute this plan. Essentially, our business objective is to invest in solutions and technology to attract more volume and increase revenue. The goal is to stop breaking even. We need to maximize our revenue opportunities and generate more traffic. We need to improve our content marketing strategies to effectively advertise content to our website, on our website and other media channels. Content is a significant part of motivating our users to subscribe to our paid and free products and services. So we want to optimize our mobile and digital marketing. These two components are revolutionizing social media and attracting customers in different ways. We want to build and cultivate rich partnerships to leverage best-in-class solutions and bring more attention to YouTube's website. Our current needs are to optimize digital and mobile content, new advertising channels, and increase our social media channel distribution. We are losing out on revenue, guys. By not taking advantage of this mobile and digital advertising, we're not going to ever bridge the gap. We need to reach a larger audience and better align our content to the user's needs and wants. We also need efficient monetization systems to leverage infrastructure and technology investments for content operations. We have to shift our users' behavior to promote paid subscription services. This will be key in fostering more customers without impacting our subscribers' interest and customer base. And we need to develop content to engage customers through best-in-class solutions. Our current content needs set us up for our future needs. We want to increase our B2C and B2B marketer business relationships to generate more content advertised on our platform. And we want to leverage marketing we will actually want to leverage our marketers turning to social media to advertise their products and their services. We want to be able to expose ourselves to new content marketing strategies. This will also bring new customers to our website, more solutions to maximize our revenue opportunities. We want to increase customer traffic, which attracts them to our products that will in turn generate revenue and attract them to our products like YouTube TV and YouTube Premium because we have billions of subscribers globally. The partnership solution that we chose and that we felt best fit our enterprise and business objectives was Marketo. Marketo helps the organization distribute effective social media content and cultivate richer connections with registered and unregistered users. They have a LaunchPoint ecosystem which offers integration applications to support content marketing, e-commerce, and our CRM platform analytics. They have a mobile marketing solution which will help us integrate technology to increase mobile ad content for our users. Their digital marketing offers over 120 digital marketing solutions. Can you imagine how many options that provides us with and how much that will help our users? They also have 31 integration partnerships, and they're part of the Adobe Marketing Cloud Suite. The content calendar provider platforms like Kapost and Pergola also focus on content sourcing and targeting. So having access to additional content calendar providers is a benefit to our future success. Lastly, they offer exclusive pricing, which is tailored to our business needs and our cost structures. What is it going to cost to execute this plan? Well, Marketo offers exclusive pricing structures that best fit our enterprise. There are 3 packages they offer. Basic package, which is $895 monthly, Pro, which is $1,795 monthly, and the Elite, which is $3,195 monthly. These are multiple solutions which offer features that align with our business objectives and our goals. Keeping in mind, prices include expanding our partnership programs, which other providers like Kapost, Oracle, and Percolator will give YouTube the ability to partner with these large-scale platforms to gain further insight into content marketing strategies and partnerships. The key elements to drive our success will include content. Content is the cornerstone of our success. It is part of our goal to maximize our social media position. We need to augment our content marketing strategy to increase revenue. We want to optimize our digital and mobile content to engage more people. Again, this is going to be a focal point of our content operation strategies. Partnerships with technology partner adds significant value, best-in-class solutions, and improve audience targeting. We truly thank you very much and value your time, and we look forward to your approval to get started on implementing this great content calendar provider plan to help increase and maximize our revenue and further our success. Thank you and have a great day.